And welcome back to TronMakers. So this is for network leaders and people that get involved in the TronMakers contract. That's a smart contract on the Tron blockchain. So basically, with only 2 or few referrals, you will earn in TronMakers. This is guaranteed in the smart contract. TronMakers is not a usual contract. It's completely uniquely community program. TronMakers is the world's most powerful decentralized peer-to-peer global affiliate smart contract on Tron blockchain. So that says it in a nutshell right there. Start with your journey with 1000 TRX and earn up to 97 million TRX in every 90 days. Smart contract can fetch you 6-level income with the community help of 20,046 people. This income you stand to gain with investment of only 1000 TRX. So all this means is that even the last person, that is the last ID, will also earn 100% guaranteed. There is no other contract with this fantastic business model for community building seen before anywhere. A 100% unique system that is truly progressive for all users. It does not matter what time you register, whether on launch day or next year, it will work like that forever. That is the sweetest thing about TronMakers smart contract on blockchain technology. Let's enjoy this innovative concept as pioneers. Let's accumulate TRX cryptocurrency and earn our profits with TronMakers. So I hope you enjoyed that quick overview of the TronMakers contract. Basically what happens is that when someone signs up with 1000 TRX, which you can do in the description below, it will then distribute 100 to the contract admin and then 180 to 5 other people in the business contract hierarchy, so underneath your referral. So that's how it works. So 100 out of the 1000, and 900 is broken up into 180s and given to 5 different people, and this repeats itself with every new person that joins. And so at any level you can bring people into the contract. So hopefully that gives you a bit of insight. Feel free to sign up and get in. It's still super early. Official launch is on the 1st of September, so you're getting in at a good time. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell notifications for the next videos. Cheers.